I need to switch here, and now we pop up here, and let me put here. Now it's done. This is my backup computer that is connected. Both computers are connected with this switch, USB 3 switch. 2 input, 2 outputs. You can switch with 1 input whenever you want, and 2 output with this button that is switching, and it works very good. I repeat what I have said the last time. The USB cables are beyond important. Buy new very high quality USB 3 cables. The shorter, the better. Even though now I'm using 15 meters cables with active repeaters, you can see here that I don't have any latency. I'm real time, but the audio is a little better with better dynamics if you have shorter cable. I have some disturbances, electrical disturbances,